All right, good afternoon. Welcome to the noon briefing, and I apologize for being late. We have an update from Pakistan, where, along with our humanitarian partners, we have supported the government's response by providing food aid to 300,000 people and clean water to 55,000 people. Our colleagues have also deployed 14 mobile clinics to provide healthcare services in impacted areas. In addition to this, we have delivered more than 71,000 emergency relief items, including tents, plastic tarpaulins, cooking stoves, blankets, solar lamps, and sleeping mats to refugee and host communities in the country. Over 1.1 million houses have now been damaged or destroyed, and more than 470,000 people are living in camps. UNICEF said today that they estimate that 16 million children have been impacted by the floods, and at least 18,000 schools have been damaged or destroyed across the country. Access continues to be a major obstacle to the delivery of aid and the ability of people to flee their homes to safer locations. In total, over 5,000 kilometers of roads and 243 bridges have been damaged or destroyed. As you are aware, on Tuesday, we launched a flash appeal requesting $160 million to provide assistance to millions of men, women, and children impacted by the floods in Pakistan.